friendly welcome. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. Hi, friends. We're very happy you're here today. Today's topic is very simple, very useful. We will talk about your family. Yes, we talk about family every day in real life, so this lesson is very important. Don't worry, we will use easy English, short sentences, slow speaking. Listen first, then repeat with us. You are learning step by step. Before we start, please like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. David, let's begin. Main chat, easy family English. Section 1, basic family words. First, let's learn some family words. Listen carefully. Father, mother, brother, sister. Again, together. Father, mother, sister. Good job. Now let's use them in sentences. Listen, this is my father. This is my mother. My brother is tall. My sister is kind. Very good. Now you try. Section 2, talking about family size. Now let's talk about how many people are in your family. Listen to this sentence. I have a small family. Or, I have a big family. Repeat with me. I have a small family. I have a big family. Nice. Now some examples. I have 4 people in my family. I live with my parents. My family lives together. Very natural sentences. People use them every day. Section 3, simple family conversation. Now let's do a real conversation. I ask, David answers. Do you have brothers or sisters? Yes, I have 1 brother. How old is your brother? He is 10 years old. Great, now change it. Do you have brothers or sisters? Good job. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Section 4, talking about parents. Now let's talk about parents. Listen to this sentence. My father works in an office. My mother works at home. Or, my mother is a teacher. Repeat slowly. My father works. Very good. Section 5, talking about love and feelings. Family is about love. So let's say simple feeling sentences. I love my family. My family supports me. I feel happy with my family. Repeat again. You're doing great. Really. Section 6, daily life with family. Now, daily life sentences. We eat dinner together. We watch TV together. I talk to my mother every day. I help my father. Very real English. Very useful. Section 7, asking about family. Let's practice questions. How many people are in your family? What does your father do? Do you live with your family? Try answering in simple English. Even 1 sentence is enough. Section 8, short repeat drill. Now repeat after us, slow and clear. This is my mother. I have 1 sister. My family is important to me. I love my family. Excellent. Section 9, talking about brothers and sisters. Now let's talk about brothers and sisters. Listen carefully. I have 1 brother. I have 2 sisters. Repeat with me. Slowly. Good job. Now listen to this sentence. My brother is younger than me. My sister is older than me. Again, very nice. You are doing well. You can also say, I don't have a brother. I don't have a sister. This is also correct English. Section 10, age and family members. Now let's talk about age. Listen, my father is 40 years old. My mother is 38 years old. Repeat slowly. You can also say, my brother is 10. My sister is 6. Very natural. People say this every day. Section 11, family jobs. Simple sentences. Now let's talk about jobs in the family. Listen, my father works in an office. My mother is a teacher. Repeat. You can also say, my father is a driver. My mother works at home. All sentences are easy and useful. Section 12, living together or apart. Now let's talk about living together. Listen carefully. I live with my family. I live with my parents. Repeat again. Some people say, I live alone. Or, I live away from my family. All are Section 13, daily activities with family. Now, daily life with family. Listen. We eat breakfast together. We eat dinner together. You can also say, we talk every day. We spend time together. Very good sentences. Section 14, helping family members. Helping family is important. Listen, I help my mother. I help my father. Repeat slowly. You can say, I help my brother with homework. I help my sister. Great job. Feelings about family. Now, feelings. Listen. I love my family. My family is important to me. Repeat again. You can also say, my family makes me happy. I feel safe with my family. Very nice. Section 16, simple family questions. Now questions. Listen first. How many people are in your family? What does your father do? Do you have brothers or sisters? Now you answer. Even one sentence is perfect. Section 17, short, real conversation. Let's do a short conversation. I ask, do you live with your family? Yes, I live with my family. Who do you live with? I live with my parents. Now you try. Section 18, talking about family on phone. Now, phone conversation. Listen. Hello? How is your family? My family is good. Thank you slowly. You can say this anytime. Section 19, family on special days. Special days with family. Listen, we celebrate together. My family meets on holidays. Repeat. Very natural English. Section 20, practice. Speak with confidence. Now practice again. Repeat after us. I have a small family. My family is kind. I love my parents. I talk to my family every day. Excellent. Section 21, longer speaking practice. Now try this. My name is. I have people in my family. I live with my family. I love my family. Say it slowly. You are improving already. Section 22, gentle encouragement. Remember one thing. You don't need long sentences. Short English is good English. Practice every day. You are doing great. 3. Repeat key sentences. Let's repeat important sentences again. This is my father. This is my mother. I have one brother. I love my family. Section 24, listener speaking time. Now stop the audio. Speak about your family for 1 minute. Good job for trying. I'm talking about grandparents. Tom, now let's talk about grandparents. Listen carefully. I have a grandfather. I have a grandmother. Repeat slowly. Good job. You can also say, my grandfather is old. My grandmother is kind. Very nice sentences. Section 26, family members' names. Now listen. My father's name is Ram. My mother's name is Sita. Repeat again. You can change the names. Say your family names slowly. Section 27, talking about family personality. Now, personality words. Listen. My father is calm. My mother is caring. Pete. You can also say, my brother is funny. My sister is helpful. Great job. Section 28, family and food. Now, food with family. Listen, we eat lunch together. My mother cooks food. Repeat slowly. You can say, my family likes home food. Very common English. Section 29, family time at home. David. Now, family time. Listen, we sit together at night. We talk after dinner. These sentences are very real. These section 30, talking about family support. Now support. Listen. My family helps me. My family supports me. Repeat. You can also say my parents guide me. Very good. Section 31, family and study. Now study. Listen. My father helps me study. My mother checks my homework. Repeat slowly. Nice work. Family and work routine. Now, daily routine. Listen. My father goes to work. My mother stays at home. Repeat again. Simple and clear. Section 33, talking about family on festivals. Now, festivals. Listen. We celebrate festivals together. My family is happy on festivals. Repeat. Good English. Section 34, simple family story practice. Now listen to a short story. My family is small. I live with my parents. We eat together. We are happy. Very good. Section 35, talking about family problems. Now problems. Listen. Sometimes my family is busy. Sometimes we disagree. These sentences are normal. Section 36, respect in family. Now, respect. Listen. I respect my parents. I listen to my elders. Repeat again. Very nice. Family love practice. Now repeat after us. I love my family. My family loves me. Repeat slowly. Good job. 38. Long speaking practice. Now speak. My family is quite I live with. We eat. I love my family. Say it slowly. You are improving. Section 39, pronunciation focus. Now listen and repeat. Family, parents, brother, sister. Very clear. Section 40, calm practice. Repeat these sentences. My family is important. My parents support me. I feel happy at home. Quiet speaking time. Now stop the audio. Talk about your family slowly. Good effort. Section 42, final encouragement. Remember this. Short English is strong English. Practice daily. Mistakes are okay. You are learning. 43, talking about extended family. Now let's talk about extended family. Listen carefully. I have an uncle. I have an aunt. Repeat slowly. Good job. You can also say, my uncle lives near me. My aunt is very kind. Cousins and family relations. Now cousins. Listen, I have 2 cousins. My cousins are my age. Repeat again. Very good. Section 45, family living places. Now where family lives. Listen, my family lives in a city. My grandparents live in a village. Repeat slowly, clear and simple. Section 46, visiting family. Now visiting family. Listen, I visit my grandparents. We visit family on weekends. Repeat. Very common English. Section 47, family phone calls. Now, phone calls. Listen, I call my mother. I talk to my father on the phone. Repeat again. Good speaking. Section 48, family and care. Now, care. Listen, my family cares for me. I care for my parents. Repeat slowly. Very nice. Family rules. Now, rules. Listen, we eat on time. We respect elders. Repeat again. Good English habits. Section 50, family and weekend. Now weekends. Listen, we spend time together on weekends. We relax at home. Repeat slowly, simple and natural. Section 51, family and happiness. Now happiness. Listen, my family makes me happy. I feel happy with my family. Repeat again. Family and sharing. Now sharing. Listen, we share food. We share problems. Very real sentences. Section 53, family and support in life. Now life support. Listen, my family supports my dreams. My parents guide me. Repeat, nice work. Now section 54, simple family description, practice. Now listen and repeat. My family is loving. We live together. We help each other. Repeat slowly. Excellent. Section 55, family and daily habits. Now habits. Listen, we eat together daily. We talk every night. Repeat again. Good rhythm. Section 56, respecting family time. Now family time. Listen, family time is important. I enjoy family time. Very good. Section 57, calm speaking practice. Now speak slowly. My family is, I spend time with war. I feel with my family. Good effort. Section 58, listening and repeating keywords. Listen and repeat. Family, parents, grandparents, cousins. Repeat again. Clear pronunciation. Section 59, quiet practice time. Pause the audio. Talk about your family slowly. Well done. Section 60, final encouragement. Remember, practice little every day. Slow English is good English. You are improving. Wrap up, friendly ending. Okay, friends, let's recap today. We learned family words. We learned how to talk about parents. We practiced real conversations. And we used easy daily English. Remember, small sentences are powerful. You don't need perfect English. You need clear English. You are improving, really. Now, a fun question for you. Tell us in the comments, how many people are in your family? Write one simple sentence. That's enough. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode. Bye bye. Keep practicing English every day.